YouTube, what's good? What's good? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully back with another video. Hope all my friends in YouTube land are doing good today. Got a few things to talk about. Real quick, I know I put a poll up in the Telegram chat about Doge. It's not looking too good, y'all. It definitely can get to $1, but I mean, Elon's been literally doing everything he can, and it's just not moving. I don't know if other whales or millionaires, billionaires, whatever, are against him, but I don't know, man. Everybody's looking for that next big hit, and I think Sheep coin is up next. Just be careful out there, y'all. Definitely money to be made if you get in at the right price. Do not get me wrong, but just invest wisely. And people don't know, like, you can still day trade a lot of these coins like Bitcoin and Doge. You can still day trade them. You don't have to just put it in a Robinhood account and pray to the high heavens, But yeah, that's all I want to say. So this is the Forex analysis for May 11th, 2021. I'm sorry I didn't do anything yesterday. Just really wasn't feeling too well, and really wasn't too much going on. But today we had a lot of action, so let's get into it. So let's start with gold like usual. We've been making our way up to the 1860 mark, pretty much, like right here, 1850. We're trying to get up here. We've been having nice pushes. I would call this a price imbalance, so a retracement is kind of expected just because there's been 1, 2, 3 strong bullish days, especially the NFP day, which is this candle, I believe. So no confirmed downside, even though we had a bearish day. Still no confirmed downside, so keep looking for bullish moves. So yeah, that's it on a daily. H1, we can see the strong pushes here, the imbalances. So price is going to come back and maybe test these levels. We got equal lows right here, as you can see, and we have another set right here. So price could come back, run these lows in this one as well. I don't see it getting below like 1803 area, like anywhere in here. So you can look for a zone flip, aka a break and retest type deal. If it starts going down, it is making lower highs on the H1. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. Lower highs right here. So we can keep going with momentum. We can keep going with order flow. Possibly down here. There's a lot of trap traders down here, so this is a strong area to watch if price comes back to this area, okay? But so far, I would still be looking for bullish moves going into tomorrow. Let's go here. Let's go to the M15 and let's get our fib out. All right, so price has already started to come down here. Our range low, like I said, let's watch this low. It could possibly just take this out and then do like a V spike, come all the way back up. I still like these targets up here. I still like all of this, and I like the fact that we do have price, like I said, on the daily going towards 1850. So I like all of that. So just be careful with gold. Just check these lows, see what happens. If it tends to hold it and you see something like a W or a railroad track or a spike and it comes back up, I would definitely go ahead and put my stop loss underneath here and start targeting yesterday's high and these highs up here, okay? EU. I haven't looked at EU in 2-3 days. So right now we had a move above this high. So I'm going to go ahead and just move this up here because that's no longer the new zone. So we still have these wicks right here, right here. Yeah, this one took it out, but we still have orders trapped right here. So it's very possible that price could just consolidate for a little while until it decides what it wants to do. Just because it has been rejecting quite hard at this area, and we're getting towards like all-time high territory. So when you start getting towards territory like that, price is going to bounce around a lot usually, and we'll see what happens. But it's definitely still bullish until price gets like below here. I would still consider it bullish. This could just be a pullback on a large daily candle, so you just keep that in mind. All the moves you see on the M1 to M5 to M15, it all happens on the H4, daily, weekly, everything. Speaking of weekly, let's look at that real quick. So yeah, we came up here, came all the way back down. So this is a strong area to watch. Look how it bounced right here. So just keep your eyes on EU. There's no confirmed bias. Nothing that I would consider taking. If I had to pick a direction, I'm going bullish. So let's drop down to the H1. And yeah, you can see the market structure here. So we got high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So that's a strong area to watch too. If you have a bearish sentiment, I would watch this right here. So if price comes above that, then just be on guard, okay? So what we have here in M15, we already made equal lows right here. So price could come and run these. Looks like it's going to. And if we do, then obviously the next targets are going to be like down here and here, okay? But every time I see a strong bullish candle, it's hard for me to see it come all the way back down here. That took a lot of money to push up. So maybe price comes to this area and bounces back up. But like I said, there's really no clear bias. So I honestly would just stay out of EU until it shows us what it's going to do. All right, let's go to GU. GU's looking good. Remember, I didn't like this last week. All this, I didn't like none of that. But here, this looks really good. So we got our highs right here that we can look to run. We're definitely bullish. Make our zone real quick. So yeah, we're getting towards, what's that, 1.43. So yeah, I'll be looking for bullish moves, strong candles, strong pushes. I don't see anything slowing this down right now. H1. It's starting to form a type 2 mitigation. Got like a nice M right here, as you can see. So retracements happen. So maybe it'll go down here, but I'm still bullish on it. Price just may want to get down to a discounted area before heading up, okay? So let's take it to the low to the high. This is right here. That's our range low. Watch this. It's getting towards this already. If it does, I may just be checking for ADR low at that point before moving up. So just see what it could do. Easily could just come back up in Asia, move down here to a low risk buy zone and pop right back up, okay? But yeah, I'm definitely looking for buys on GU. All right. Bitcoin. Let's see here. Move this out the way. Clean this up a little bit. Bitcoin. All right, our good friend Bitcoin. Right now, nothing really happening too much. I mean, it's just been bouncing around this range. Like you can see, it might stab below it, come back up, come back here, come back down. So if we're just gonna play the low to high game, I mean, I would just take bullish moves up to here, and then see if it gives you some moves to come all the way back down. I mean, that's what it's been doing for most of the time. H1, we have equal highs up here, so I like this up here. I do like the W right here in the move up. We do have some issues maybe right here to worry about, but also that could be a TP1 like right here. This could be a TP2. M15, let's make our range. And from the low to the current high. Yeah, just watch this area right here. We're going to look for moves where in our buy zone, equilibrium, or low risk buy zone. Preferably the buy zone and low risk buy zone, okay? And like I said, target here for TP1, TP2, and then, you know, see if you can get a move back down possibly if it doesn't just run the whole price point, okay? US 30, I already knew this drop because I saw some reports today. Like I told you guys, all this has been manufactured, so there's so much to run. Like these lows right here, we have lows right here, right here. There's plenty of areas for this to run. So honestly, if you get in and you have the balance for it, you might just be able to hold this for a while. So I'm still looking for bearish. I like the swing high formed right here. Lower high to the left, lower high to the right. Let's see if we can take this area out. This is sitting here nicely. So let's see if we can take these out, okay? And H1, you can see it's just been dropping like crazy. This is just market structure all over. You can see the higher lows right here. So nothing's changing. I would just look for moves. Just keep following structure all the way down to here. Okay. And by the looks of it, it's gonna hit it. So yeah. M15. Let's make a range, even though I don't really think it's necessary because we pretty much know what we're looking for. But if it starts retracing back up, look for moves in your sell zone, low risk sell zone, and also watch this area right here because that's going to hold market structure. So that's right at the range high. So as long as it doesn't go past range high and it makes a move and comes down, just take the sell. This is pretty much money to go back down and get to this low, okay? All right. Besides that, that is going to be it. Sorry about not putting a video out yesterday. Like I said, I wasn't feeling good. But hope this helps. You got any questions, drop a comment, send me an email. If you like what I was doing, please consider subscribing. I do appreciate every single subscriber, and I mean that. But that's going to be it. Hope you guys have a blessed day tomorrow. Be safe. Talk to you guys tomorrow. It's your boy Kyle. I'm out.